What's going on, and welcome to another edition of Oil and Gears. Today we're going to change it up a little and do an oil change on a 2004 Cadillac CTS. Let's get to it. Alright, so now that we're under the car, right behind the passenger wheel, you're going to see this nut right here. And this is the drain plug for the 2004 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter engine. So we'll undo that and we'll drain the oil. So since I don't have all my proper tools, we're going to use this dollar store pin, and then you're going to need a 13mm socket. So all that I'm using, like the pan and the gloves, is all improvised. Since I'm not at home, you gotta do what you gotta do. Make sure that once you've tightened, you clean around it. That way, after you're done adding the oil, you can make sure that it's not leaking. So one of the cool things about the 04 Cadillac CTS is that to figure out which engine you have, you just look at the oil cap here. This one is a 3.6 liter, so this is the oil cap. The 3.2 liter is different from this one. It has a different shape on the oil cap. So right next to the oil cap is the filter here, and that is a 24mm socket. Alright, so what I'm using is the STP S8765 filter. I don't have all my original camera equipment, so bear with me. There you go. also has the O-ring as well. We're gonna need to change this O-ring that's right here. So what you can do is get a small screwdriver or like a pick like this. And you'll just pick it out, just like that. There you go. And what you want to do with this new O-ring is put a little oil around it. That way it doesn't crack or dry out. And then we'll put it back on here. All right, now that we put a little oil, put the O-ring on here, like so. There you go, just like that. Now you'll grab your filter just like this, put it in here, and you'll feel it pop in just like that. And we'll add it back. Tighten that in, and that's the same. That's 18 foot-pounds to tighten up. All right, so this is the oil I like to use. I get it from Costco. I get 10 quarts for $25, and this is just as good as Valvoline, Pennzoil, Mobil 1, all the others. If you look at the grade on the back, it exceeds everything. So I like to use this. It's the Kirkland's brand. I also like to use the Amazon Basics. So you don't have to stick to name brand. They're all made from the same company. So the 3.2 liter engines take 5 quarts, and the 3.6 liter engines take 5.6, so about 6 quarts. Well, there you have it. We've changed the oil on the 2004 Cadillac CTS. When you take it in to get service, it's usually about 80 to 100 bucks, but I spent about 35 in the oil and the filter. Also, please make sure that you dispose of your oil at your local auto parts store. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.